Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yaya and I'm so happy to have you here. You guys, real quick, if I am looking up, I just got a new camera and I have a viewfinder. And I don't want to look at her, but she'll look good up there. She'll look good up there. Before we get into today's video, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and like this video if you're excited for more wedding planning content and wedding content in general. Yes, I'm still doing my beauty videos as well, and I'm just going to be kind of doing whatever. I know that, you know, typically you have a niche for your channel. Well, my niche is just me. The niche is Yaya. Category is Yaya. I just want to have fun and be me. If you guys love that, hit the subscribe button and join me. If you don't, it's fine. I don't care. It's my channel. All right, now let's get into the video. Okay guys, welcome back. So today we are doing another unboxing of my two engaged, I don't know what to call these. They're like newly engaged subscription boxes. I got my Miss to Miss and I've got my ring box. So I'm gonna be real with you guys. I have two new boxes on the way. These, I'm not even gonna front. I looked at these, but I looked at them so long ago that I forgot what's in them. So this is my second box from Miss to Miss, and it's my third from the ring boxes. If you aren't familiar with them, I'm gonna go through it a little bit, but you really should go watch my first video because I was way more informative in that video. Basically, they are boxes for the newly engaged. They have cute little things to help you plan your wedding. In my last boxes, I got wedding planners, I got coffee cups, I got a water bottle, I got a photo frame. I got a lot of cute things. So yeah, we're gonna start off with the Miss to Miss. I want to say this one, damn it, I don't remember. Now I have to look again. The Miss to Miss box is every other month until your wedding day, which I really did like that. So it says it's a themed box. 6 to 7 exclusive full-size products for pampering brides to be. So this is the site, you guys. My ring light is plopping, but you can get your first box for free, by the way. So you customize based on your wedding dates. If you don't have a date yet, you can tell us later. You can tell them later on. Tell us. For the Miss to Miss box, it is $37 a box. You can cancel at any time. You get themed boxes to celebrate each stage of your engagement, valued at $100+. And yeah, so let's get into it. So ultimate bridal swag. Oh, it tells me what's in the box. Let's not look at that. I hate to look at those things. Free box giveaway, and there also is a groom collection. First thing I'm grabbing, Miss to Miss wedding planning guide. Miss to Miss tip. Finding your dress is one of those exciting parts of planning your wedding. Make sure to enjoy the experience by bringing along only friends and family who you fully trust and who lift up you up emotionally. God, is it like really that? Oh, this, okay, so in my first box or second box of the ring box, they sent me something like this. So it's got wedding fashion trends. It's got different like necklines and sleeve, different waistlines. So some cool tips for picking out your dress. Oh, it even has like body types, things that work out for your body type. So this is cool. Sample seating chart. I don't think I'm gonna do a seating chart. Do you guys want me to do a video updating you where we're at with our wedding planning? Because I have updates, you guys. I do have a vlog coming up when I went to go see a venue. I've seen basically 3, but 2 that we were in between. And we've already chosen the venue. We've already put the deposit down in the venue. We're ready. So yeah. First thing I'm grabbing is I got a hat that says bride. This is so cute, a little dad hat. Okay, next I got another t-shirt. It says, I'm not bossy, I'm the bride. It's a crew neck sleeve shirt. Let's see. I like to open everything now because I want to put it all away once I'm done. Oh, that's cute. It is a sleeve shirt. Okay. By the way, I watched the last video and I was a little extra, but I'm just like so excited to like be engaged. You guys, me and my man have been together for 15 years now, over 15 years. So we got engaged at like basically 15 years. I didn't reach our anniversary yet, but I waited some time for this ring. Now granted, we were kids when we got together, but still. Oh, this is super cute. A phone grip and stand, so like a pop socket, and it's a diamond. Yeah. How cute. Stress, blessed, and wedding planning obsessed. I got a koozie. Hold on, because I got a little Diet Dr. P right here. Let me put this one. Period. Ooh. Excuse me. I got a bride-to-be canvas tote. I need this because I have a little purse. I mean, it's like a mid-sized purse, but carrying that planner around everywhere has been a lot of work. And this, it'll fit perfectly. How cute is this? Bride-to-be. It's good quality. Ooh, okay. This is like wild. I'm telling you guys, I totally forgot what was in this box. Is my lash falling off? One sec. I just threw out, I had this little elephant jewelry holder that I loved, but it broke. I just threw it out. And I got this in my box. A ceramic jewelry dish that says, I do. How cute! This is a ice tray. That is so cool. That is super cool. And that is it for this box. Up, we're gonna get into the ring box. Let me tell you guys what is the deal with the ring box. This box comes every month. I did the 9-month, I think, because each month we deliver a newly themed box completely tailored to where you are in your planning process to help you prepare for your big day. For the moment you say yes, the magical moment you say I do, and even onto your honeymoon, we will be by your side, delivering exactly what you need the moment you need it most. Each box is perfectly curated and filled with the most popular must-have bridal products, bringing together an amazing selection of products to celebrate, inspire, pamper, and help prepare our brides for all the excitement leading to her best day ever. For 9 months, which is what I got, your first box is $15. I think I got my first box for free, so look out for those ads. I told you guys my FBI agents were working overtime. And then it's $35 a month. So let's get into it. Oh. Well, the first thing that I see is another hat, and this says Future Miss. I like the brown detail. So now I have 2 hats, black and white. It's like they work together, they knew. I have a keychain that says Miss. There we go. What is this? Did I get another water bottle? I did. This is, it says The Bride. And I got a cute little black straw. Like I said, y'all, I love me a water bottle, so I don't mind. Send them all to me. Okay, so halfway into this box, I'm realizing that a lot of these things are basically the same. So keep that in mind when you guys are picking out your box. I don't want to compare. I will say they're very similar. So one of them is 37, one of them is 35. Miss to Miss is a little bit bigger, I think. I think they have, I don't know. But hopefully this helps you guys decide which one works better for you. I got a We're Engaged magnetized photo frame. We're Engaged milestone collection set of 25. I don't know what this is. It says We're Engaged milestone collection set of 25. So let's open this and see what the heck it is. Oh, okay, so these are like little cards that say they're like the little literal milestones. So the first is We're Engaged. Do you guys see that? Wait. That's the first one. It says We're Engaged. The second one says the date is set. which is true. The date is set. The venue is booked, which is true. The venue is booked. Like, do you put a picture on this? Like, I'm confused what you do with this. Like, who do you show these cards to? Cake tasted and ordered. Invitations have been sent. Hair and makeup trials are today. Like, where, see, like, where do you post this? I think the idea is really cute. Today's our menu tasting, but like, who do you tell this stuff to? Today's my bridal shower. I don't know if I'm gonna do a bridal shower. 1 year to go. 1 year? I have about 10 months to go. I just dropped all the cards. The last thing that I got in this is another tote bag. It is, and it says, okay, this is super cute. It says Bride Vibes. Wait, let me try and show you guys. Bride Vibes. This will go perfect with the hat. So one of these days when I go like wedding dress shopping or something, I can just bring this tote with my planner and my cup and everything else that I've been given in these boxes and go be all bride-to-be decked out. Okay guys, so that's all that came in these 2 boxes. I do have 2 new boxes coming in probably within the next week or so, so I will have another one of these out very soon. I decided I'm gonna just film them all. I hope you guys have enjoyed this. Let me know down below what you guys want to see next as far as like wedding planning stuff. Do you guys want tips and tricks or things that I have learned so far in my wedding planning process? Because it's way more than I thought it was gonna be. I'm not even gonna front. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure you guys check out my Instagram. Make sure you guys subscribe to this channel if you guys want to see more of these. Alright, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!